Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I created these name tags. The first thing that you need to do is to go to canva.com, and what you want to go ahead and do is to press on create design, and then I went ahead and did a YouTube thumbnail. Right after that I went ahead and used the text size here. I went ahead and typed in the name, and then I started playing with the sizing and also the font. Now keep in mind, I am not a tech person whatsoever. I'm just sharing with you how I created these name tags, and Canva is pretty self-explanatory. You just have to explore it, and it's not hard to use at all. Once you're happy with the font and the size, then you can go ahead and click on elements, and here I'm gonna go ahead and get a border. And again, there's so many things that you can use in this site to create anything that you want to. This site is free, and I also use it for my thumbnails, so it's super, I don't know, I'm just so excited that something like this is free and that you can use it. Anyhow, the scissors and the comb, I went ahead and searched an image with transparent background. I went ahead and downloaded it, and I uploaded it to Canva, and that is what I'm using here. This is the final result, and once you have it, then of course you need to print it out, and I used photo paper to print it out, and the rest is pretty much history, because you guys already know I love rhinestones and bling bling. So I went ahead and started working on my favorite part, which is decorating the name tags. I just used what I had on hand, rhinestones from Dollar Tree, and also this glittery tape. It came in a pack of 4. I did use some of this nail glue, however, don't do that. It didn't work that well, so I went ahead and just used Elmer's glue, and that worked so much better. I made these name tags for a salon, but if you're a teacher, you can also make them for your students or anything you like. I hope this video was helpful, and like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.